Here I am gardening while it is still frosty. I was out this morning after 6 while it was partially dark working on this bed. So I managed to put in those pieces of wood in the bottom of the bin. Something I don't like doing because it will rob the bed of nitrogen. And even this unfinished, uncomposted bit of blade grass that is in here, that is also going to rob the bed of nitrogen as these material breaks down, because they're going to use up the nitrogen in order to break down. But unfortunately, because of the damp environment that we have, and the ground is always soggy at the moment it's partially frozen, because of that condition, it is important that I have something in the bottom of the beds that is going to create drainage. So having well-drained soil would not be enough in this region. It would not be enough. So I have to add the wood or the branches in the bottom, and then to prevent the soil from running through, then I have to put the blade grass on top of that. So next step is I am going to be adding soil to this. So I have two goals for today where this garden is concerned. So either this bed or that one with the cardboard on top there is going to be getting the cover for it done today. Well, I'm not sure if I'm going to complete it, but at least the frame for the cover should be done today, and this bed should get the soil in it. Now, as you can see on the ground, it is still frosty, so I'm not going to be adding my worm castings until it's time to start planting, or at least until the beds are properly covered, because you don't want your castings to go through a sudden freeze. If it does, what will happen is that the microbes are going to die off, and the castings is beneficial because of the microbes. So for that reason, I'm going to be waiting until the bed is fully covered or until it's time to start planting before I add the worm castings to it. So the project, again, add the soil to this and create cover for one of these two beds, and the soil is going to be coming from this bed, which means I'm going to have to remove that cover, or at least most of it, and extract the soil. So let's see how much I get done today.